Okay, so here's another Megalodon Marx E7. It's an AB unit. Just finished it. It's got 19 volt LEDs in the front one. Top one's a blinker. Also, I made the decals for it. And it's got the older style motor, but it runs really well. And the motor cycles as it should. I put new brushes in it so it'll run good. So we're going to take it for a spin. You can check it out. The E unit's also been rebuilt, so it cycles really nicely. All right, thanks for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.